What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Tonight I'm going to be reviewing a USB Wi-Fi adapter from VPOR Direct.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, sadly I don't have any audio for this, but yeah, so this is basically an unboxing of this Wi-Fi adapter, and I will put up some text on screen now, just listing some of the specs and some specifics about this adapter. And this is advertised as having 1200 megabytes per second ultra speed, a 5 dBi external antenna, and it can basically go 360 degrees. And this retails for around 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys want to go pick this up. So yeah, enjoy the unboxing, and then after the unboxing I'll get into the actual review of the product. See you then. Okay, so I'm not gonna show how to actually use this thing. Pretty simple. This USB connects to this. All you have to do is twist it on, and then it has a power button on the side right here. I'll just get that, and then basically you just plug it into any USB port right here. But just for this test, I'm gonna unplug it first. I'm gonna do a speed test to see what the Wi-Fi speed is just on my laptop without the adapter. Just see what we get. So the Wi-Fi here is pretty fast compared to most internet providers. Getting over 100 megabytes per second is pretty good. And this also depends on what Wi-Fi card you have built into your laptop. I think I have a pretty good one. So okay, so we're at 115 download, 114 upload, so that's pretty good. And now I'm just gonna plug this in, see what we get. Your laptop should make a little noise letting you know it's plugged in, and yeah, and then that light will be flashing letting you know it's on. So let's just do the same thing. So as you can see, compared to the regular laptop Wi-Fi, this one jumps to the speed rather quickly, just because it's receiving the signal much faster. So So one thing you'll notice is that the download is actually like slightly lower, and the reason for that is basically this won't increase your Wi-Fi speed. It could slightly if you're really far away, or have like a lot of barriers in between, but it's gonna basically help your connectivity so that your signal is gonna stay strong for the most part, and your speed's not gonna vary that much. So as I said, this is mostly for the people who are like really far away from their router. If you're right next to your router, I don't recommend this because it's pretty pointless. But if you're really far away and you have like a brick wall in between you and your router, or your computer and your router, I definitely recommend picking this up to keep your connectivity better. And then my friend actually used this when playing Fortnite, and his connection got a lot better just from plugging this in, because his connection was a little iffy and he was lagging all over the place. And so yeah, out of 10, probably give this probably an 8.5. Does the job, and helps with the connectivity. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video once again. Shout out to my boy Justin for help filming this, and yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on notifications, do all that good stuff. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to just let me know, comment what your thoughts are, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.